Hi, I'm Justin Speer, and in this video I'm going to show you my new Gregory Quadro Pro 28-inch suitcase. So this suitcase is pretty substantial in size. It's 28 inches. They do offer a smaller version, a 22 inches, that works as a carry-on suitcase. But this one has 88 liters of volume, which is pretty massive compared to the 22-inch version. Only has, I think, 42 liters. So it's over double the amount of volume inside. So Gregory Packs does offer two different versions of this 28-inch suitcase. The regular Quadro, and then also the Quadro Pro, which is this one. And what you get with the Quadro Pro version is handles on each side. The regular one doesn't have that. And there's a little different grip on the handle here. This is a little better, grippier material than the one on the regular Quadro. And then on the inside of the suitcase, there's a vapor barrier section that the regular Quadro doesn't have. So I got this new suitcase because I was upgrading my old suitcase that I'd had for, I don't know, 25 to 30 years. And the old suitcase is finally reaching the end of its life, but it only had 2 wheels to roll on. What I love about this Quadro is that it has the 4 wheels that go in every which direction, which makes it super easy for rolling around. I'm going on a 2-week vacation here pretty soon, where I'm staying in a different hotel every night, and this is really going to make it easy going around, having something that's so mobile. One of the things I like about this suitcase is it has a high impact shell, a polycarbonate shell. So it's pretty durable, but it's also super light. So this thing doesn't weigh that much at all, just on its own. And it feels very protective. The handles on this suitcase are great. You've got one on top here. There's one on either side. You can grab it any which way. There's not one on the bottom, but there's a lot of options. Plus, of course, the handle for rolling. I also like that this has a built-in combination lock that's TSA approved. The zippers just connect right here. That makes it handy for traveling. So opening it up here, you've got 2 major sections down here. You have, there's a vapor barrier. It's a removable inner case that I think it's waterproof, or at least odor proof. And you can put dirty clothes in there, or, wet ski boots or whatnot. But you can totally take that out. And then you've got this compression area here for clothes. And it's nice that there's a pocket on each side here, a mesh pocket. And then up here, you've got 3 big pockets that are nice. And then just open this zippered section to get to the top. So you have this whole compartment here. And if you don't want to use this panel of pockets here, you can just roll it up and tuck it in here. Another reason I bought this Gregory Hardcase is it comes with a lifetime guarantee. So it gives me a little extra peace of mind. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with it. It feels really durable and such a lightweight. And I just love the 4 rollers that go every which direction. It's going to make it easier getting through the airport and upstairs and stuff. So I love it. It's a really nice case. Hoping it lasts another 20 years.